Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are the Mighty Guru Yogurt. It's irrefutable. Well, I'm sat in the car with the magnificent Murgatroyd at the wheel. Ooh, where are we going? Well, the Murgatroyd is going to work in Barrow. I am getting dropped off a couple of miles down the road here in Kirkby-in-Furness with a silent K. Yes. And the reason that I'm going to Kirkby is I got the call yesterday from the motorcycle hospital shop, and Aussie Moto, our CF Moto 650 MT, is going back on the road this morning. So that's why I'm sitting in the car all togged up in my waterproofs, because it's going to be a wet day. I've got a few things to do after that, but in the meantime, we'll see you on the road. Oh, look who's back. Aussie Moto. CF Moto 650 MT. Motorcycle hospital for a month or thereabouts. But he's back. Brand new front brake pads. Brand new rear brake pads. Nice new chain. Nice new sprockets. Feeling fine. So, I've just been into Barrow. I've been down to the motorcycle centre where I'm doing my CBTBT instructor training. Had a good old chinwag with Andy, the instructor there. The guy who's teaching me to be a CBTBT instructor. He's just passed his Module 1, Module 2 assessments, and so he's now qualified to teach those things. He is feeling pretty pleased with himself. And now I'm off to Hawkshead. We're going to take a very lovely scenic route through the hills, through the fells to get to Hawkshead. I'm running my friend's hotel for him this weekend because he's going away. And I'm going to get a briefing, see how busy it's going to be, and these kinds of things. It is delightful to be back on the CF Moto. He is just such a different beast than the Yamaha XVS 650. And just as I remembered, an absolute joy to ride. The weather's looking pretty bleak here today, as you can see. It was raining quite heavily earlier. We've now just got low cloud and a bit of drizzle. And according to the forecast, we might even see some sunshine later. But we will see. A very warm welcome to my new subscribers. The numbers are picking up on a regular basis now, and I hope that that's going to improve even more over the next couple of months. I've just invested some money in more camera gear, and I'm actually going to change quite a few things about the way I make my films. It'll all become clear as time goes on. Thank you to everybody who commented on the magnificent Murgatroyd passing her Module 2 test. She is delighted. I'm probably more delighted. And we are now, of course, awaiting the arrival of her brand spanking new Kawasaki 500 Eliminator. It's going to be a couple of weeks away, but it will be with us before too long. Brakes are feeling very sharp, which is what you would expect with brand new pads in them. And I really am very, 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 very happy to be back on Aussie Moto here. So we're now in Kirkby-in-Furness with a silent second K, and here is Moreland's service station, which is where Aussie Moto had his surgery. Big shout out to Chris. It's the first time I've used him as a motorcycle mechanic, but he certainly seems to know what he's doing. And I was very, very surprised, in a pleasant way, by the size of the bill. Very reasonable rates, and he certainly seems to have done a bloody good job on the motorcycle. Up, here comes the rain again. Well, here we are in Grijsbeek then. 2 wheels. We're about to join the A595, where we'll be having a right turn, heading up the hill, and then going off through the mountains. Oh, I fancy an overtake. Ha 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 ha! I love this motorcycle! So, as you're coming from Broughton-in-Furness, heading southwards on the A595, you get to the crest of a hill here, and there is a little road goes off down the valley here. That's the way that I'm going today. And there we are, you can see the road snaking across the hillside before us. There are a lot of sheep on the road around here, so you got to watch out for those motherfuckers. And the rain lashes down. It's getting quite brutal now. Brutal, I tell you. But the sun will come out later, perhaps. Really is a lovely road, this. Lots of snaking bends and pretty good road surface, it has to be said. And if the sun were out and the sky were blue, we'd have really quite a nice view. But not today. helmet burp. Everybody likes the helmet burp, apart from the Murgatroyd. And that's pretty much the summit there. We're now heading down into a little village called Woodlands, and then joining the A593 into Coniston, and then on to Hawkshead from there. So that'll be the end of today's little film. Thank you all for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. I've certainly enjoyed making it. And if you haven't already done so, now might be the time, as I clumsily dismount the motorcycle, to consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.